words like subject when main agreement. The words like with, together, along with, beside, as well as, including, in addition to, etc. If do not affect the subject, do not affect the subject. The word like with, together, along with, besides, as well as, including, in addition to, do not affect the number. Do not affect the number of what? Number of subject, that is the number. If the subject is similar, the word like with, together, along, besides, as well as, including, in addition is not going to affect the number, whether number is singular or plural. These are only extension of the subject. It tells about, here you see, decoration of the room. The decoration of the room along with black whiteboard, fan, sofa set, bed is pleasing. Here you see. Example. I told you, repeat. Please take care. Here you see the word like with, together, along with, besides, as well as, including, in addition to, do not affect the number of a subject. Okay? ये अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. If the subject is singular, if the subject is singular, verb will be singular. If the subject is singular, verb will be singular. Have you noted down? So, see the example. See the sentence. Please see. The television along with cabinet, along with the cabinet is sold. Here you see, the main subject is the television. The main subject is television. Along with is not affecting, though it is sold with the cabinet, but the word like along with, including, with, as well as, and so on, do not affect the subject. The subject is in singular. The television, this is singular. Along with the cabinet is, here the subject is agree with this singular subject. So the subject is the television, so is used. Okay? Now, the next sentence. Here you see, I repeat again, that the word like, along with, besides, in addition to, along with, together, etc. do not affect the subject. If the subject is singular, verb will be singular. Here you see in the example, the television along with the cabinet. Though two things are along with cabinet, TV and cabinet stands for one. is sold. Now the next example. Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul with her son, with his son. Mr. Paul with his son, with his son. Can you see? With his son and daughter. Mr. Paul with his son and daughter. Here you see, Mr. Paul is the main subject with his son and daughter. Here the main subject is Mr. Paul. I already told you that with, along with, in addition to, including, do not affect the subject. So the subject is similar. Has left Patna for good. Here you see. Here you see. I repeat. The word like with, along with, in addition to, etc. do not affect the number of the subject. Here you see, Mr. Paul is a singular subject with his son and daughter. As the subject is singular, with his son and daughter, but as it is added with, so the subject will be not affected. The subject is here singular number. So verb, helping verb is also singular. Has left Patna for good. Now the next sentence. Next example. You see the another example. Our chief competitor. Our chief competitor, as well as, here you see, our chief competitor as well as ourselves, here you see, our chief competitor as well as, here I told you, as well as, in addition to, with, along with, doesn't affect the subject. Here the subject is our chief competitor, that is singular. So naturally, if the subject is singular, the verb will agree. Singular subject takes singular verb. Plural subject takes plural verb. So here the subject is singular. That is the basic. You always remember, this is the basic, and all the subject verb and agreement is based on this basic. That singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. Here the subject is our chief competitor, and ourself is. Why it is? Because our chief competitor is a singular number. The subject is in singular number and it is joined as well as ourself is. Here is obliged. So here you see, according to the rule, the word like with, the 8 words that I have already given, with, along with, as well as, besides, in addition to, etc., do not affect the number of a subject. Now, the next rule. if the subject is made of if the subject is made up of both singular plus plural, ऐसा कोई सब्जेक्ट हो. Suppose you are given a subject that is made of both singular and plural, ठीक है ना, और plural words or plural connected by connected by what? Or nor neither and either, ठीक है, neither and either, not only but also, connected by what? By, or, nor, neither, either, not only but also. Please see again. If the subject is made up of both singular and plural and connected by or, nor, neither, either, not only but also, the verb agree. What किसे agree करेगा? Then the verb agree to the nearest part of the subject. Understood? The nearest part. I will show you in the example. What is the nearest part? See the rule. That is rule. If the subject is made up of both singular and plural, if the nearest subject is singular, verb will be singular. If the nearest subject will be plural, then it will be plural. Simply, what the grammar tells? If the subject is made up of both singular and plural, connected by, मतलब जोड़ा हुआ, or, nor, neither, either, not only but also, the verb will be agree to the nearest, जो सबसे नजदीक होगा, the nearest of its subject. See the example. Is it clear? Now next, see the example. See the example. Neither the quality, nor neither is followed by nor, either is followed by or, neither nor the prices, here you see, nor the prices, here you see, here in the sentence, neither the quality, that is singular number, nor the prices, that is plural number. So here the nearest subject is what? Prices. Nearest subject is prices, that is in plural. So it will take, what it will take? It will take plural verb have had changed. Understood? The nearest subject, if the word, if the subject is made up, here the subject is made of both singular and plural, and connected by what? Neither or nor. The nearest verb will be agree with the nearest subject. What is the nearest subject? The nearest subject is prices. That is in plural. So it will take plural helping verb, that is have. Now next example. Another example you see. Not only the headmaster, but also the teacher, but also the teachers, Then you change, other you will confuse. Not only the teachers, but also the headmaster. Can you see? The subject, if the subject is made up of singular and plural, or plural or singular, it may be, the subject may be made of singular or plural, or singular. And if it is connected by not only but also, the verb will be agreed to the nearest subject. What is the nearest subject? The headmaster. The headmaster is the nearest of the subject. So, verb will be agreed to the nearest of the subject. That is what? Is in the favor of NEP, New Education Policy. NEP, New Education Policy. NEP, New Education Policy, the short form. Remember, NEP, New Education Policy. Here in the example, you have seen that if the subject is made up of either singular or plural, the verb will be agreed to its nearest of its subject. Another example you see, 3 to 4 example I will give you, so that you may understand it very beautifully. Neither the buyer nor the salesman, neither the buyer nor the salesman, nor the salesmen. Can you see? Here, the subject is made up of singular and plural. Buyer is singular and salesmen, that is plural. Here the subject is made up with singular and plural. And it is connected by neither. Neither and nor is used to connect. What the grammar tells? That verb should be agree to the nearest of its subject. Verb should be agree to its nearest of the subject. What is the nearest of the subject? Salesmen, as it is plural. And it is plural. So it will take R in favor of lockdown. Here you see. Here you see. The rule tells us that if the subject is made up of singular and plural, connected by neither nor, either or, not only but also, the verb will be agree to nearest of its subject. If the nearest of subject is singular number, then verb will be in singular. Then singular verb will be used. If it is in plural number, then plural verb will be used. Is it okay? Is it okay or not? Please tell me, is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, another sentence, one more sentence I can discuss. I have another rule I cannot discuss? No. Now, one more rule. How much time is left? 5 minutes. Another rule. If the subject consists of two singular, अगर सब्जेक्ट में दो सिंगुलर होगा, वर्ड्स connected by or neither and so on. Subject is singular, so the subject is singular and requires, if the subject is singular, here you see, if the subject is made of two singular words, two singular, कोई subject है is made of, if the subject is made up of both singular and consists two singular what? Words. दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स अगर जुड़े हुए हैं, दो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट जुड़े हुए हैं नॉर से, और से, राम और श्याम, टू सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. So if the two singular subject is connected with neither Ram nor Shyam is, because both are singular. Here both are singular. So here the rule is very clear. If the subject is made up of two singular और उसमें दो सिंगुलर वर्ड्स लिखे हों, two singular subject is connected with the help of neither nor, not only but also, and so on. The rule will be what? There is a change. In the above rule, I discussed that if the two subject is made of singular and plural, here The subject is made of singular only. Both are singular. Subject 1 and subject 2. Here you see Ram. Here you see neither Ram, neither Ram or nor Shyam. Here, both are singular. Both the subject Ram or Shyam is singular. Neither Ram or Shyam is happy. There you see. One more example. There is some time is left. So, one more example I want to give you. Neither the radio nor the television, neither the radio nor the television, neither the radio nor the television was working. Here you see, here the subject is made up. Here the subject is made up. Here the subject is made up of two singular. Here the subject is made up of two singular subject, that is radio and television. So it is and connected by neither or nor, but it will take singular verb. So I hope you might have understood how to